Hello everybody, I'm Bill Ann, and welcome to a little bit of RC Heli News. So today everybody, I was thinking about covering the two kits that are available for pre-order now. So right now, it's kind of interesting. We have the Goosky RS 7. Now, I don't know if you're living on the rock if you haven't seen it. This is for pre-order at A Main Hobbies, and also Heli Direct has it for pre-order. And the price right now looks like $7.99 pre-order without blades, and then $8.99 for pre-order with 700mm Azure blades. Pretty good blades to get in a kit. And so I would say not a ton of information on this helicopter as far as what we see on the websites. I went to the Goosky.com. I went to their official website and I didn't see a manual that you could download to look at. But some of the vendors for this do have some information. So for example, it's going to swing 690 to 710 rotor blades, and 105 to 115 tail rotor blades. So it basically looks like a full 700. Now, one of the cool things I like about the design on this, besides the pretty nice canopy, is that it looks like you can front load the battery tray, I believe, without having to take off the canopy. So that looks like a pretty good design feature. Now, on the other good side, there is they appear to have given a lot of these out, and so there appears to be a lot of flight videos for the Goosky RS 7. There's a really good video of Tarek flying it. That's pretty amazing. He even takes out the well, doesn't take out. He skids the main blades on the runway. It's an amazing flight video. And also, I found Diego RC has a really nice box opening video to kind of see what's actually going to be included in the kit, what it will look like. So looking at the Heli Direct website, I see that we have an ETA February 10th. Pretty good. So everybody, there also appears to be a good spec sheet that's out for the RS7. So we can see the tail ratio with 20 tooth pinion will be 5, or with the 21 tooth it'll be 4.76. Also, the weight of this excluding the battery is 3.7 kilograms. It will have a 15mm main shaft, 107mm main gear, and a 100 tooth front tail pulley. They even give you the battery dimensions, or dimensions for the battery compartment, an 8mm tail belt. So there's some good spec information that is available for the RS7. I would also say, if you listen to the Heliheads podcast, take a listen to the Winter Bash episode. These guys were at the Winter Bash that was held in December. And I know all of them got to see the Goosky RS7 up front and touch it with their hands, and they kind of talked about it a little bit there. Okay, right, so another bit of exciting news is that we have for pre-order the XL Power Nimbus 550, the Nitro Nimbus. Everybody's kind of looking forward to this. We have an ETA of the end of February as of now, and what I really like to see, there's a really good write-up if you go to the Heli Direct website. A lot of details on this helicopter. Also, I have an overview video that I did with Diego and Raw, where we go over the helicopter. There might definitely, I see they've changed the color of the canopy. I think there's been some slight changes since we shot that video at IRCHA this year, but it's pretty exciting. The Nitro Nimbus is on the way. I'm sure Raw and his team took their time to hone it and perfect it, so it's definitely something to look forward to. The price looks pretty good at $638. It's looking pretty exciting. We got stuff for pre-order, so you'll definitely stuff to get in February that you can build before spring hits. So guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about these new helicopters coming pre-order. Do you like the pre-order? Do you think it's a waste to pre-order? Did you actually pre-order one of these helis? Just let me know in the comments, and make sure you like and subscribe to Bill Ann YouTube channel.